I traced your shadow in my mind. Every corner, every line fell apart in the quiet night. Lost in you, I lost the light. Your voice was the storm I chased, a hurricane I couldn't brace. I gave my heart without a shield. Now I'm learning how to heal. And I see now I'm not broken. I'm just a song that's been unspoken. Every tear was a lesson, a truth I had to find. I'm letting go, leaving the past behind. After the rain, I see the sky. After the pain, I've learned to fly. I love too hard, I lost my way, but I'm finding me in the break of day. No more chains, no more sorrow. I'm enough for today and tomorrow. I held your silence like a flame, felt the burn but stayed the same. Every smile a fleeting ghost, every I love you hurt the most. I thought my worth was in your hands, a fragile line drawn in the sand. Now I trace it back to me. I'm stronger than I thought I'd be. And I see now I'm not broken. I'm just a song that's been unspoken. Every scar is a map of where I've been. I'm letting go, I'm loving again. After the rain, I see the sky. After the pain, I've learned to fly. I love too hard, I lost my way, but I'm finding me in the break of day. Oh, no more chains, no more sorrow. I'm enough for today and tomorrow. I don't need your shadow to define me. I don't need your love to remind me I am whole, I am more than your echo. I let you go, I let myself grow. I'm enough, fades into gold. I found the story I can hold. After the rain, I see the sky. After the pain,